can hear myself think. Now every day since I woke up, I can finally see.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alina Mirza and I'm back with a new vlog. So today the topic is very interesting because आज का जो topic है वो है the magic of doing nothing. Yeah, exactly, and how it works. We live in a culture obsessed with productivity, but sometimes the most powerful thing we can do is nothing. Okay, so let's talk about brain science. When you rest, your brain activates the default mode network, which sparks creativity, problem solving, and memory consolidation. Next, we can talk about overstimulation trap. Constant doing keeps us busy, but not necessarily effective. Pausing helps us see the bigger picture. Sometimes we do things with great discipline, like constantly we are doing it, but without even thinking we are doing it. But we can't see the results. Why? Because we are not giving a pause. Sometimes a pause is very important. Let's take examples from geniuses. Newton. Newton discovered gravity while chilling under a tree. Archimedes yelled Eureka in the bath, not in the lab. Practical wisdom. A short daily pause, at least like 5 minutes of silence or stillness, can reset energy better than hours of forced work. Sometimes you'll see your productivity when you take naps between work. Suppose we are taking an example of studying something. If you're constantly studying a particular topic or a particular subject constantly without taking any gaps, then it's like a forced work and nothing is going inside your brain. So it's very important to give yourself a moment of stillness. Take a nap and then study it again, the same topic, which you might not be able to get in hours of working or studying. Suddenly after a nap, you can see you can see the progress, you can see the improvement. So that stillness, that break is essential. So what's the modern take? In an age of hustle culture, doing nothing is a rebellion and maybe even a superpower. Sometimes the magic isn't in doing more, it's in daring to do less and leaving the unseen work unfold. So basically, this topic is not to promote laziness, but to promote the importance of stillness and relaxation time. There's a magic in doing nothing. Sometimes we just want to be in a state of charge, and for that, rest is important. So the final conclusion, the main motive behind this video is not to promote laziness. Again, I'm saying it because it looks like that, it promotes laziness, and the magic of doing nothing is, it's seen as something which is very essential. So yeah, it's essential, but obviously it's not the only thing we should focus on, but it's essential to focus on this thing also. Continuously working will only drain you. So take breaks and do nothing sometimes. Also, if you like this, also thank you so much for watching it. I hope you guys like it. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and if you want these kind of series that I'm starting, random topics you want me to discuss about, comment down.